I hope you all are doing good. So, welcome to Mechanical CAD Academy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So, in today's video, we are responding to a valuable comment from one of our subscriber named Science Freak on our previous video named Download Bonfiglioli AC Induction Motor 3D CAD Model and Specification in Hindi SolidWorks tutorial. He mentioned that the website we suggested is currently discontinued and how to get the Bonfiglioli motor 3D CAD model now. First of all, thank you so much for your comment, Sansvik. Uh, in this video, we will introduce you to the new official website where you can easily download this latest 3D CAD model easily. So let's move to that website. Okay. So this is the website he mentioned is previously shut down, or you can say discontinued. The alternate website which is started by Bonfigli is shop.bonfigli.com. So if you will enter this website, you will get this homepage where you can download the Bonfigli 3D CAD model. But before downloading this 3D CAD model, we will go to the 3D model which we have downloaded from the Bonfigli, and let's learn again what is the specification of the Bonfigli motor. This is the 3D CAD model of motor which I have downloaded from Bonfigli website. Okay, so let's see the specification code of this motor. So specification of this motor is B63A4 230 underscore 400 50 IP55 CLF B3. Let's break it down part by part in the simplest way possible. Let's go. BE tell us the type of motor. In this case, it is three-phase asynchronous induction motor. Most commonly used motor type in industry, and if you are using Bonfigli motor, that's a solid choice too. Okay, so next we have 63A. Now this refer to the motor frame size and tell us the physical size of the motor. In a simplest word, a 63 frame means the motor has a nominal power of 0.12 kilowatt, or you can say 0.16 HP. Not a bigger motor, but just right for smaller machine. And this 4 number is super important as it denotes the number of pole. As the number of pole increases, the speed of the motor decreases. So for 4 number of pole, the motor output speed should be 1500 rpm, but due to the slippage, we have 1360 rpm as shown in the motor product data sheet. So let's see the motor product data sheet. So this is the motor product data sheet. You can see BAC I2 three-phase motor, 63A motor size, which I mentioned frame size, and the pole number is 4-4 poles. So in this you can see the motor speed is 1360. This happens due to the slippage in the motor. Okay, so let's move forward. 230 underscore 400 50. What this denotes? Let's see. 230 is the voltage rating is in delta configuration, and 400 is the voltage rating in star configuration, whereas 50 denotes the supply frequency. So this motor is designed for dual voltage operation, making it super flexible for different setup. Next, we will see IP55. This is the ingress protection, protection from dust and liquid. So first phi denotes it is protected against dust. So this motor is protected from dust, and second phi denotes it is safe from low pressure water jet from any direction. If you throw water of low pressure from any direction, this motor is protected. So yes, it is a little motor. Okay, now let's move to CLF. CLF shows the standard insulation class of F. As you can see, CL is the class and F is the class number. Okay, it is a standard marking that tell us how much heat the motor can handle during operation. While the motor operate, this is the shaft, while motor operate, how much heat can handle during that operation. So finally, we will see what is B3. So B3 denotes the mounting type of this motor. So this motor is foot mounted, as you can see. Here is 4 bolting position. So this is the mounting, and so it is of B3. Oh, and one more thing, if you ever see, let's show me one nameplate of motor. So if you ever see this I2 in your nameplate or on your motor, that means it is the second level of energy efficiency as per the International Electrotechnical Commission, IEC. So it is not just about performance but also about saving energy and being eco-friendly. This is of 80B frame size, but we are using of 63A. So this is for reference. It is not we are going to show, but it is for reference how the motor is the nameplate. As you can see here is IEC has given sorry, given not written. So this denotes as we have said. Okay, so this is the technical data sheet which we have downloaded from the website. As you can see, each and everything which I have mentioned: product series, frame size, pole number, voltage frequency, degree of protection, which I have mentioned, IP55, insulation class, CLF, mounting, B3, and you can see the motor speed 1360, and our motor nominal power 0.12 kilowatt and power in HP is 0.16. So let's see the product dimension. So they provide you the product dimension. As you can see, this is the product dimension. Each and every dimension they have mentioned: mounting position, outer dimension of the mounting, frame size, each and everything. So this is the product data sheet and product dimension which we have downloaded after configuration of this. So let's see how to download that 3D CAD model and both this data sheet. So let's download the 3D CAD model which we have shown from the website. This link of the website I will share in my description. So move your cursor towards the all product, and by moving this slide, and this slide opens, so select on motor and then a synchronous and of B series. After doing so, we will get this screen of configure and drawing. So click on this configure and drawing. Now we will configure our motor. As you can see, product series is automatically configured, and frame size which we have selected. Let me reset the value. Now we will select 63A as I have mentioned, and 4 is automatically selected. Try to select only star mark, because rather than star mark is not very important. Okay, so this is the number of pole which I have mentioned. Now it's time for voltage and frequency selection. So voltage and frequency which I will select is 230 400-50. 230 in delta configuration, 400 voltage is in star configuration, and 50 is our hertz, which is a frequency. So you can see voltage dash frequency. This two part is voltage rating and this is frequency rating. Now it's time for degree of protection, which I have mentioned IP55, protection from dust and liquid. So I have selected IP55. So after selection of degree of protection, we will select insulation class, which is of CLF, standard insulation class. And finally, we will select our mounting, which is P3. So because it is foot mounted, that's why I have selected B3. After doing so, you will get your product data sheet. You can download your product data sheet and your product dimension. As you can see that I have downloaded product dimension and I will do the same product data sheet. As you can see, both I have downloaded. Now it's time for technical round. So technical drawing, as we select technical drawing, we will get options BWG, DXF, PDF and step, also JT. As I have selected step 203, I prefer you to select this for 3D CAD model, okay, which you can use in your system. So let's select this and download. So it will take time and now it's done. It shows the download symbol. So click on this symbol and now it is downloaded. So this is how you can configure your motor and download your 3D CAD model from Bonfiglioli new website shop.bonfiglioli.com. This is the new website. Use the step I have told you so you can easily download this motor B series. You can prefer other series also like BN and BX as per your requirement. Thank you.